Hello, UNV 101 instructors. This is just a quick demonstration of how to get into and presenting this PowerPoint. It's kind of clunky, and I apologize for that. Hopefully you've already previewed this before you got into the middle of class. But if not, hey, showing students how to problem solve is a good thing. So when you click on this, it's going to take you to an online PowerPoint, which I thought was going to be perfect. Except because I have a lot of audio clips in here, it's too big. So when you get to this screen, the next thing you need to do is click the download button. Right, so I'm downloading. I'm going to pull it up. Try and enable editing. And then I want to do a slideshow, and you want to present from the beginning. And I'll do a little bit of this.
This is Alex. This is Dr. Petrie, Alex's biology professor. Alex has a problem. He failed his first biology exam of the semester. Since biology is his major, he is really upset. What should he do?
So this is where you would pause in working with students, talk to them about the two options. It's probably a good idea to have them first choose the wrong option.
Not a great idea. This should be
Get rid of that X by clicking on it again. And then when you click the right selection, you'll go to the next screen.
Alex arrives at Dr. Petrie's office during his scheduled office hours. The door's closed. What should he do?
For those of you who have known me for a long time, this right here, this option is in reference to my middle daughter. In any case, again, you would click on the wrong ones so that they can see why those are wrong. And then click the right one, you'll advance.
Dr. Petrie answers the door and says,
Hello, how are you?
listen to the audio clips and pick the best response for Alex.
So when you get to the screen with the audio clips, what I would do is I would play the audio clip. And show students why that's not a good plan. So this one will be the right option. When we click option B, we'll go through to the next screen. But there's also option C. Again, if I click option C, which is a wrong answer, and click the red box again to get it gone. So you can advance through the rest of the PowerPoint by doing that. Hopefully this little video
Sure, Alex.
helps you to be prepared.
Which concepts did you have trouble